The other one.
How are you? How would you like to buy it?
Hello, my friends. Some
Well,
water?
yep.
Right this way.
Thank you.
I need a single file line, solo spies. Follow me all the way across. Do not stay to the left. You will be separated up ahead. You are now units of one.
Wait here. One with me.
Okay. Oh, you think I'm putting
You're going to be on the center line right behind.
Can't get along, you know?
Because I can't be.
The sexiest girlfriend.
5, 3 of you, red, 2 blue. How many?
No.
2 blue.
You saw one.
3 on red.
Yes.
Two.
One. Uh-oh.
1, go to red.
Okay. All right. Now we're split.
Orange. Orange and orange. How many? 3. And 1. You're almost okay.
We're in jail.
Make sure you're on your color. And you can stop yapping now.
Oh, it's
So long.
how dare you?
Alright, guys. Listen up and pay attention. These directions are not going to be hard, but they're a vital part of your interrogation process. Begin to look down, memorize that color, don't forget it. If you do, that would be as embarrassing as your attempt to join the resistance today.
I was not listening.
I can tell. To make this process even easier, if there's anything on your head, remove it now. Hats, sunglasses, rodent ears. Take no screening bag, backpacks, or other cargo items. If you're questioning if it's bag spies, do yourself and more importantly me a favor, remove it.
have a hat
Let's
on,
proceed.
though.
Blue and red into the cell. Put it in the
Oh, yeah. Can never tell which one's red. I think this is red.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Well, see, got red and you got an orange, but they look the same.
No, it's
No, it's not.
yeah, it's this side.
It's going to be that.
Cat, what's up with the knocking on the wall?
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Not bad.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
I don't know anything.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You actually did that.
Told you. My delicious.
Resistance, we're gonna get you up. There's no time to waste. Let's go. Look, right in the back. Look, right in the back. Silver and orange on the right. Silver in front, silver in the down, silver in the front, silver in the back.
Did you want? Oh, did you okay? Okay.
We switched.
Oh yeah, we're all over.
You're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the
All right.
escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Head back row, pull that yellow strap on your right hand side.
Su seguridad.
Pull the strap.
Y supervisen a sus niños.
And I'm snap watch your left side. These doors will be closing.
Where were you going?
Make sure you're holding on to hold that cargo. We do not want to lose anything to the first order. This noisy truck's gonna get you back to about 2.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to LT.
Now's a good time. The escape pods deployed. Wait, why are you going up? Down, up is bad. Up is
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffold's blocking.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
crews. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Welcome back to Goose Grab. Sign yourself up to a seatbelt.